Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn the simple steps to activate your Disney Plus bundle with Hulu so you can start streaming right away. Welcome to our channel. Beginning with the Disney Plus bundle offers you an incredible streaming experience combining Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus all in one package. To activate your Disney Plus bundle that includes Hulu, follow these easy step-by-step instructions. First, ensure you have a Disney Plus account. If you don't have one already, go to the Disney Plus website or app and sign up for an account. Next, check if your subscription plan includes Hulu as part of the bundle. If not, you'll need to upgrade your Disney Plus plan to the bundle, which usually offers all three services once your Disney Plus account is ready and bundled with Hulu. Start by logging into your Disney Plus account on your preferred device. Then navigate to your account settings. Find the section labeled Subscriptions or Bundles. Here you should see an option related to Hulu or the entire bundle. Select Activate or Manage Subscription. After selecting that option, you might be redirected to Hulu's website or app. It is here where you will finalize your Hulu activation process. If you do not have a Hulu account, you will be prompted to create one as part of the bundle activation process. Creating an account is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, including choosing your username and setting a password. If you already have a Hulu account linked to a different email address, you may want to update it or merge accounts, depending on Hulu's policies. Once your Hulu account is activated and linked with Disney Plus, you can start enjoying the content from both streaming services simultaneously. Now you can also access ESPN Plus if your bundle includes it. Just use the same login credentials. Remember, you can watch on multiple devices like smart TVs, phones, tablets, and computers. Any device compatible with Disney Plus or Hulu apps will work. If you ever face issues with activation, it's good to check your subscription status on Disney Plus or contact customer support for help. Also, make sure your apps are updated to the latest versions to avoid compatibility problems. Activating the Disney Plus bundle with Hulu is that simple. It combines three popular streaming services effortlessly, so you get the most value without separate subscriptions. Enjoy watching your favorite shows, movies, sports, and more in one place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful streaming tips and guides.